going to help you learn a lesson today. Hi! Good morning!
Hello.
Hello, good morning, little one. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Great, great. Can you see me?
Yes.
Awesome! So, welcome to Acadsoc and welcome to my class. My name is Teacher Angela. Let me type my name for you, okay? I am Teacher Angela. There. Okay, I'm going to teach you today. What is your name?
Kitty.
Cece?
Kitty.
Kitty. Hi, nice to meet you, Kitty. How are you? Can you say, my name is Kitty?
My name is Kitty.
Awesome! I'm so happy that you did that. Good job. Okay, Kitty. I have a question for you. How old are you? Are you 5, 6, 7? How old are you?
7.
Oh, you are 7 years old. Can you say, I'm 7 years old?
I'm 7 years old.
Wonderful! Because of that, I'll give you a trophy. Okay, good job. Today, I'm going to give you gifts as you do good in our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask you, what are your hobbies? Teacher likes reading. I love reading. How about you?
Dreaming.
Dreaming? Dreaming?
Yes.
Oh, wow! I like that too. I like that too. We can talk about that some other time when we have next lesson. Okay, now I want to ask you, how are you? Teacher is super. How about you?
Happy.
You are happy? Wow, that's great. I'm happy too. And today I'm going to give you gifts in our lesson, okay? So, our lesson for today, Kitty, is about colors and shapes. Can you say colors and shapes?
Colors and shapes.
Wonderful. Let us learn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now look at the picture there. How many colors are there in the picture? Okay, I'm going to circle it. 1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
4, 5.
5, and oh, we got 5 colors. Very good. Can you say there are 5 colors?
There are 5 colors.
Awesome! That was very good. Okay, now let us learn. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Good. Now, let's you listen to your teacher, okay? And read. All right? Now, look. What color is that? That is color yellow. Can you say it's yellow?
Is yellow.
Wow, that was wonderful. Next, Let's say it's blue. Can you say it's blue?
It's blue.
Wonderful. Let's keep it coming. It's pink. It's
It's pink.
pink. There you go. And next one, this it's green.
It's green.
There you go. That was wonderful. And this one, it's purple. Say it's purple.
It's purple.
Very good. Now I'm going to give you a gift because you did a good job. Great job, Kitty. Keep it coming. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you, what color is this again? What color is that? It is
Blue.
blue. Very nice. Awesome. How about this one? What is this color? It's
Purple.
purple. Very good girl and very smart. How about this one? Its color
I don't know.
green. Can you say green?
Green.
Green. There you go. Good job. And this one is color
Blue.
blue. Perfect. Now let's play. Do you want to play?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now let's look and match. Okay, let's look and match. This is color pink. Okay, teacher first. Okay, I'm gonna give you. Where's the pink? Here is the pink. Okay, I'm going to match the color green. Where's the color green? Here's very good. Awesome. How about the color yellow? Where's the color yellow? Kitty? Wow, that's amazing. How about the color purple? Purple? Very good. Good job. And how about the color blue? Wonderful! Because of that, I'm gonna give you a trophy. Excellent, Kitty. Wow, that was very smart of you, and you're a very fast learner. Now, let's play another one. This time, okay, let's look and say, okay, what color is this? What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Okay, teacher will type color yellow. Yellow. All right, let me type. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's have the next one. What color is this? Color
Blue.
blue. That's right. It's color blue. There you go. This time, can you type it, Cece? Can you write the name of the color there?
Kitty.
Kitty. Sorry, Kitty. Awesome! Nice job. That is wonderful. All right. How about this color? What is this color? Here.
I don't know.
You don't know. That's okay. Teacher will help you. It's color green. Color green. Okay, let me help you with that. Okay. Green. Green. Okay. Can you type it again? Color green. Amazing. And how about the last one? What's the last one? Color
People.
purple. Can you say purple?
Purple.
Wow, very nice. Purple. Can you write the name purple?
Purple.
Yes, please write it there. Can you? Oh, amazing. Great job! And for that, here's another trophy for you. Yes, that's amazing, Kitty. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So it's yellow. Can you say it's yellow?
It's yellow.
It's blue.
It's blue.
It's pink.
It's pink.
It's green.
It's green.
It's purple.
It's people.
Okay, all right. Now let us review. Okay, I'm gonna show you a color. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Blue? Oh, it's purple. It's purple. Can you say purple? He.
Purple.
All right. What color is this one?
Blue.
Blue. Can you circle it there? Nice, kitty. What color is this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. Where's the color yellow? And circle it. Okay, nice. What color is this one?
Green. Green.
Green. Wow, amazing. Where's the green? Where's the green, kitty? There you go. And the last one. Here is color
Pink.
pink. There you go. Where's the color pink? Circle. Amazing. Here is your trophy. Good job! Okay, you did very amazingly today, Kitty. And you did great, 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 great in class. You're able to learn 5 new colors today, and you're very fast learner because you remembered all the colors. Now, you also did good in listening to teacher. And I just need you to practice the color green. Can you say green again?
Green.
Green. Okay. Also, you will talk to your mom and dad saying color green. Point to colors around you green. Okay. And also the word purple. All right. Purple.
Purple.
Okay. Where's the color purple? Let me show you here. Okay. Oh, this is blue and this is purple. Okay. Practice finding color purple, green, and blue around you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Did you find it very interesting? Are you happy right now?
Yes.
Okay, good job. Okay, and because of that, I'm gonna give you another gift. This is for you. Remember, next time you'll be able to say those words, those colors, and you have to practice that. Okay?
Okay.
All right. This is very wonderful. Good job and great job. What are the words that you will practice? Green, purple. Okay?
Okay.
All right, for your improvement, you can learn to sing English songs too and watch English cartoons there on the screen. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, Kitty. You are wonderful today. All right?
All right.
Okay. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.
Congratulations, teacher. You have passed our demo.
Wow, thank you.
Welcome to
I
Acadsoc.
appreciate
Do,
it.
do you have TESOL?
I don't have yet.
And since you have passed our demo, you will receive a demo registration information in tutor system after 5 minutes. And please note that only when you confirm the information, you will be registered in the TESOL training. Okay?
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am.
Have a nice day. Bye
Have a
bye.
great day. Bye bye.